see through the window. You gotta
Okay, don't look at the train passing, bro.
crack back.
Golly, he's hauling ass. See the train? All I want to do is watch the train now.
Going so fast, I freaking out. I wonder why when they pass a car, they run them over.
That's some weight too, yeah. That.
A lot of weight.
That was a diesel 199 pulling that. For the ground shit. Cool, look at the track right there been down. Now look on each side of the road it's bending, you see it?
Sure, yeah, it goes up and down. It's got to give, that's all.
Cool, the road and all goes down. You can see it.
How long is that train?
I don't know, we had a minute right now. Okay, though. Look at them trains go, man, they're all over the place.
I'm trying to see what's in it, but you can't see. These are like
Union Pacific, CSX, Union Pacific, CN. Tell you what, D199 strong to pull all them mail cars, bro. Oh, that's the end of it, right there.
sure.
And it's gone.
That was long.
Look one more. Look down, Mississippi, bro. At the beach.
Okay.